Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. Solve the equation x plus 14 equals 29. Show each step and check your answer by substituting back into the original equation. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We start with the equation x plus 14 equals 29. Our goal is to find the value of x that makes this statement true. Right now, 14 is being added to x, so we need to undo that addition to get x by itself. To get x by itself, we subtract 14 from both sides of the equation. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. This keeps the equation balanced. This rule is called the subtraction property of equality. On the left side, positive 14 and negative 14 cancel each other out, leaving just x. On the right side, 29 minus 14 equals 15, so x equals 15. Now we check our answer by plugging 15 back in for x in the original equation. 15 plus 14 equals 29. And 29 equals 29, that's true. Both sides match, so our solution is correct. The final answer is x equals 15. This is the value that makes the equation x plus 14 equals 29 a true statement. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.